Good evening, friends. I am Siddheswar, and you are watching my YouTube channel, My Birds, My Love. Let's go and see how my three cockatiel babies have become injured and how I treat them. Come on, let's see. Just have a look, friends, how badly injured the babies are. Cockatiels are generally believed to be very calm and quiet birds, but how dangerous they become, just have an example here. The other cockatiel entered another's nest box, and the three babies were badly injured by the intruders. Now, I am going to treat them with an ointment. Here is Bapan, my brother, with me, and we are going to apply ointment on the birds. Both the wings are badly injured and they were bleeding yesterday, but today they are comparatively better because the ointment was used yesterday and we are going to apply it today again. Just 1 or 2 days use of ointment makes them cure. The ointment is very useful for such injuries. Any kind of injuries or cutting on the bird's body can be healed with the use of this ointment. The two babies were injured badly and the little one was comparatively less injured. Now see the little one now. It was injured on the wings and its injury is also healing gradually. This is the second day of applying the ointment. Oh, I forgot to tell the name of the ointment. It is called T-Bact. It is mupirocin ointment. It is very useful for such injuries in both the cases of human beings or birds or animals. Look, the baby is well fed. Its parents were feeding them properly. But most probably the parents were absent at that time from the nest box or near the nest box. So the other intruders entered and injured them. This also is well fed and healthy but badly injured, and now we have done our best to treat them. Bapon is putting the box and then we are going to treat the third one. Look, its head was badly injured, and after 1 day applying the ointment, it was almost cured, but it is the second day we are applying it that it can become completely cured. I hope you like the video. If you like it, please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. And of course, I expect like and comment from you. And your valuable comments will be helpful for me to proceed further with my new videos. So please remember to watch the video and like, comment, share and subscribe please. Namaskar.